While many users were eager to jump into the updated sandbox world, others were greatly disappointed, as they were unable to due to an unexpected error. A JNI error has occurred. Please check your installation and try again, which also commonly followed with a Java exception has occurred. This started happening in Minecraft version 1.17. Don't worry, now I show you how to fix it. Method 1. Download and install the latest version of Java correctly. Go to the official Oracle website and download the latest Java version. If using Windows, scroll down and download Windows x64 installer. Once the download has finished, click the installer to begin the installation process. Open T-Launcher. Click the cogwheel at the bottom right corner of the window and select Settings. Locate Java Path section. Select Browse and go to Screen like Path. Click Save and play the game. Method 2. Add command line to JVM arguments within the T-Launcher. Open T-Launcher. Click the cogwheel at the bottom right corner of the window and select Settings. In Minecraft Settings tab, find the JVM Arguments section. Delete any contents if such are available. Insert command line like screen. Click Save and attempt launching the game. Method 3. Update Windows OS and GPU drivers.